Okay everybody, so a very nice warm Sunday afternoon to you, and this is the beginning of us removing this tree. Excuse the noise. A lot of you will be saying, but why are you moving such a beautiful established tree like this? Well, there's many reasons. First one is that it's planted in the wrong place. You can see there's our carport and it's literally right in front of it, so we have to go in at an angle. Secondly, as much as I love the birds, you can see there's remnants of birds' nests hanging. When the birds are here, they seem to defecate all over here. We've got a paved area over here on the roof, and then when babies fall out the nests and die, they fall on the roof and then wash into our water tank over there. So the water is actually extremely smelly and can't be used for anything but watering the garden. So that is the two main reasons why we're moving it. Also, it is extremely thorny. Let me see if I can show you. I believe elephants eat this stuff. Giraffes eat the leaves, but elephants eat thorns. That's a thorn. And that's a pretty small one. They get huge. And I've stood on these and I've had them poked in my hands pulling out weeds in the garden, and it is not a pleasant thing. So this is why we are removing this tree. We've got another one if you follow the line straight behind there. So we do have another one. If the birds want to build nests, they're more than welcome there because it's not anywhere near water tanks. But over here, definitely not suited. I will plant something else, but it won't be there. It'll be in the garden bed that's just in front of that. So I'll plant something to replace it. Anyway, I hope you're having a fantastic, restful Sunday, and we'll chat soon.